Page number 86, Mathematics, second class. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to Mathematics class. Today, we are going to discuss Mathematics, second standard. In second standard, already we have discussed so many interesting things about numbers. And in this class, we will discuss patterns. What is patterns? It's very easy and interesting. If you understand, you can write easily any pattern. There will be a relation between numbers. By that relation, patterns will form. So, like that patterns, we will discuss some patterns in this class. Okay, let's go. Page number 86, second class mathematics book. You have open page number 86. In that, we have some patterns. So I have taken some only. Some patterns I have taken. I will explain all this easily. Then you can fill the remaining also. Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. Observe the pattern and fill in the blanks. So for example, simple patterns I will explain. So what is pattern? Maybe you may confuse. So I will explain what is pattern. So observe here. For example, you know the tables. What are the tables you know? Don't worry, no need. So many tables, maybe at least 1 to 10 tables you should know. So this is second class only. 1 to 10 tables we don't know. Don't worry, no problem. At least 1 to 3 tables if you know, we can understand the patterns. Observe the pattern of first table. First table, if you see 1 into 1, that means 1 ones are 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3. 4 ones are 4, and so on. So if you take these numbers, observe these numbers. First we got 1. Then afterwards, one number is increased. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. 6 plus 1, 7. Like that, we will get the pattern. This is pattern of 1. Let us see second table. 2 table, if you see 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. Okay. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8, and so on. Observe this. First 2. Okay. Then 2 twos, that means 2 plus 2 we are adding, we will get 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So this is the pattern of 2. So if you observe between the two consecutive numbers, side by side numbers, if you observe the difference between 4 and 2 is 2. 6 and 4 is 2. That means between any two numbers, successive numbers, okay, side by side numbers, if you observe the difference, you will get 2. So like that patterns will come. Like that a 3 table also. 3 table. First in the 3 table you can observe 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. So like that we will get a pattern. So like that any pattern, if you know addition, adding numbers, okay, easily we can write a big patterns. Now let us observe this. What are the patterns given here? Here all are 3-digit numbers. First pattern, for your understanding, very simple one given. So observe here 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on up to 700 is there. If you observe ones place, tens place, 100 place, here 3 places are there. 100 place, okay, ones, tens, 100. 100 place you have to observe. Here 100 place 1 is there. Here 100 place 2 is there. Here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can also write next one. 8, 9. That means 800, 900, 1000, 1100. Your wish, you can go on writing. So like that patterns will form. Okay. So like that any number, if you give 2 numbers, you can write patterns. Do you understand this? This is the 100 difference between the side by side numbers. Between 200 and 100, difference is 100. 300 and 200, difference is 100. So like that 500, 400, 100 is the difference. Like that we can write patterns. Now I will explain these patterns. Second one, let me explain. Okay, so those who have textbook, you can also observe textbook and at the same time observe here carefully and understand, then you can write. So observe here 4 to 7, 427, 427. That means in hundreds place 4 is there, and tens place 2 is there, ones place 7 is there. 3 digits we have. Next number, if you observe, what is the digit in hundreds place? 4, same digit. Okay, and if you observe the tens place, 1 increased, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so 1 increased. And if you observe ones digit, there is no change. Here is 7 is there, here also 7 is there. Then which place is changing? Tens place is changing. That is also 1 increasing. So like that easily you can write. First write hundreds place because it is the same. Tens place, here 1 increased. From here to here 1 will increase. That means 3 after 4. 3 after, you can write 4. Ones place is same. 4, 4, 7, 447. Like that. Next number, hundreds place you can write same as it is. Tens place you increase 1, 4 after 5. 4 after 5. Write 5. And ones place same. Ones place same. You have to write 7. 457. 457. Like that. Next one, hundreds place is same. 4. Tens place we have to increase 1 digit. That means 5 after here 5 is there. Here we will get 6. and ones place you will get 7 only, because ones place is same. Understand? Next one you can say easily 4, 6 after 7, here also 7. Now observe this number, same hundreds place 4 is there, tens place 1 increased, 7 after 8 came, and ones place same digit 7 only. Very easy, interesting. Okay, this is first one is completed. Now let us see another one, another pattern. 759 and 761 dash dash 767 dash dash is given. So in your textbook it is given, that is maybe sixth one. Okay, so I have taken some, the remaining one you can write easily by understanding this. Okay, so let us observe this one, how to write. Observe ones place. Okay, this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. What is the digit in hundreds place? 7. Here 7. Okay, that means hundreds place is same, here also 7. So you can write simply hundreds place, you can write first like this also, you can write first all the hundreds place digits you write in that blanks. Next observe tens place, here 5 is there, here 6. Okay, then ones place if you observe 9 and 1, 9 and 1. So it will be a little bit logic you have to use. 59 after, what is the number in general numbers? 59 after number 60. Okay, these are the numbers now. 59, so before number 58, 59, 60, 61 and so on, 62, like that. So here we have 59 and next one is 61. Okay, then what is the difference? That means one number we are leaving and we are writing the next number. So here 62, then 63, 64, 65, like that you can write and you can check it. 59, 61, if you leave this number then you will get 63 and you will get 65, then you will get 67, like that. So now let us write tens place and ones place. 59, next we are leaving 60 and 61. Then what is the number? 62 we have to leave and write 63. Then you leave 64 and write 65. And next we have to leave 66 and write 67, already it is there. Okay, then 67 after 68, leave it and next one write 69. Next 69 after 70. Okay, 70 we have to leave and write 71. So what is the number here? 71. So like that second pattern came. Okay, so this is, I will rub it out, otherwise you will confuse. And the third one, let us see third pattern. Observe carefully, then only you can understand, then you can write easily. Third pattern, 470, 475, that means 470, 475 dash dash 490 dash dash. So first observe hundreds digits, hundreds place digit. What is the digit in hundreds place? 4. Here 4, here 4, here also 4, like that. Here also 4, here also 4, like that. You can write first hundreds place digit is 4. Write in all the blanks 4, 4, like that. Now tens place, if you observe 7, 7, that means 70 after 75, 5 increasing. Okay, 5 numbers. For example, if you write numbers 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. So first we have taken this number, then 4 numbers left out, next number taken. Okay, so this is 5 table actually. If you know the 5 table, it's very easy. 70 and 75. Next you can leave 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 4 numbers we leave. Okay, we left 4 numbers. Then we got 80. Then 4 numbers we have to left: 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, like that. Okay, then you can leave after 85 4 numbers: 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90. Then 4 numbers you have to leave: 1, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 95 after you have to leave 4 numbers: 1, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So here 100 came. That means this number will change. We have to change that number. Okay. Now let us write and change the number. 470. 470. Next 475 taken, and 475 plus 5, 480. And next one 485. Next 490. Okay, 90. Next 495. Next, if you add 95 plus 500, that means hundreds place becomes 5. 500. 500. So like that, 470, 475, 480, 485, 490, 495. Next 500. So in every 2 numbers there is a 5 difference is there. Okay, so let us see next one. 560, 562, and dash 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 570 and dash is there. So what is the difference between these 2 numbers? Let us examine first. What is the digit present in hundreds place? 5. What is the digit present here? Hundreds place? 5 only. That means 100 place is same. Here also 5. So you can write first 5, 5, 5. Here also 5. Now 60, 62, 60, 62. Middle one number is missed. What is that number? 60 after 61. 61 is missed. 62 came. 60, 61, 62, like that. But one number is skipped. So let us write here that 60 onwards. Then you can understand. Okay. First 60. One number you have to leave. 61. Okay, 61 and 62. This number we have to miss. 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. Next one 69, 70. Let us see now. One number you have to miss. Okay, skipping one number. Already we have 60 and 62. This is taken, this is also taken. Next number what you have to take? 62 after 63 cancelled. 64. Write 64. 564. Okay. Next 65 leave. Next one you have to write 66. Next 67 leave. What is the number you have to take? 68. Right here 68. Next number 69 leave. 70 already given. Okay. Next number 70 after. Get it 71, 72. So leave this number. Then you can take 72. Okay. 70 after, leave 71 and write 72. So this is a two table difference. Just if you know the two table, then you will get this. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, again 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. 560, 562, 564, 566, 568, 570, 572 and so on. Next number also you can write 574. Okay, so like that this one completed. Next one 459. Let us see this one. 459, 464 dash dash 479 dash dash is given. What is the digit present in hundreds place? 4. Here also 4. So you can write 4, here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. 59 next 64. 59 next 64. Let us observe this difference. Let us write numbers. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. First we have taken 59. Next 64. How many numbers left out? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers left out. Okay, that means after 64 we have to leave 4 numbers. Fifth number we have to write. Okay, let us count the fifth number. 64 after we have to leave 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 we have to write. 4 numbers we left out. Okay, 4 numbers we have to leave and write next number. 69 we can write here. Then after 69 again we have to leave 4 numbers. Let us count. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. After 4 numbers you have to write the fifth number is 74 right here. 74. After that again leave 4 numbers. 74 after what is the number? 75, 76, 77, 78. What is the next number? 79. 4 numbers we have to leave. Right here 17 already it is there. Already it is given. Again 79 after we have to leave 4 numbers. 79 after 80, 81, 82, 83. What is the next number? 84. 84. Right here 84, 184. 84 after, again leave 4 numbers, 85, 86, 87, 88. Next number is 89. Write 89 here. Okay, this is the pattern. Here, the difference between any two numbers is 5. Okay, 64 minus 59, if you subtract, you will get 5. So 5 difference. These are the patterns. So like this, different patterns are given. Observe carefully in the page number 86. Page number 86. For your practice, there are so many patterns are given. So I have explained what is difficulty. Okay. So some difficulty numbers I have explained here. What about the remaining patterns? What to do? You have to fill it. If you have any doubts, you can send me a message. Then I will clarify. Okay. Those who completed this page number 86, after completing with pencil, then take a picture and send to me. In the group itself, you have to post your homework. Then I will check it out and I will send you back. Okay, then you will learn definitely. Thank you. Once again, we will meet again. Thank you. Until then, keep practicing. Thank you, children.